How to write for your audience. Before you begin writing a draft, you should consider your audience. Your audience is the person or group of people who may read your writing. Knowing your audience will help you determine what they already know, what is important to them, and how you can make your writing as meaningful as possible. You can tailor your writing to your audience by choosing a writing style that will best suit them. Style is the way your writing sounds. Just like we wear different styles of clothing depending on the occasion, we use different writing styles depending on our audience. One important element of style is word choice. You may choose language that is formal or informal. Formal language is more serious and academic, while informal language is more casual and conversational. You should also consider your audience's current understanding of the topic to choose the vocabulary that is the most appropriate for them. Another important element of style is tone. Tone is the attitude or feeling of your writing. To determine the appropriate tone for your audience, consider how you feel about the subject and how you want your audience to feel. So let's look at some examples of how I can tailor my writing to fit my audience. Let's say I'm writing an informative report about the history of New York City. If I'm writing a report for my teacher, I'll use a formal tone and include detailed descriptions to show what I know about the topic. If I'm writing for an audience of other students who live in New York, I'll probably use a more informal tone, and I'll need to consider what they might already know. Or maybe I'm writing a narrative story about when I visited New York City. I should think about how I want my audience to feel and what might make the story interesting to them. I may use a serious tone if I want to tell the audience about a stressful experience I had there, but I'll use a more lighthearted tone if I want to describe the fun places I visited. If I'm writing a persuasive essay to convince others to visit New York City, I should consider whether the audience already has an opinion on this topic and which reasons and examples would be the most persuasive to them. If I want to convince my parents to take me, I'll need to think about any concerns they may have and use that information to choose convincing reasons. If I'm writing to persuade other kids to visit, I may focus on the fun activities kids can do in the city. So before you begin writing a draft, consider your audience. Use what you know about your readers to help determine the style of your writing.